to fill this page up, it might feel a little bit daunting, but let me give you guys some ideas. One thing you could do is, for example, I could take this group now and I could duplicate layer group. And then what that does is I get another smiley face, but then I could change the color. So let's say I mask layer contents and I could change this into a different color. How about, let's see, is there something we didn't use? Maybe this beige color? Or how about we just switch it up? So it's this color, and you might think, oh no, where's the face? Don't worry guys, it's right here. Mask layer contents, slide it over, and then choose that pink color, which I don't know. Let's just go in here. And then there you go. You have the reverse of that. But it does look a little bit too dark, so maybe I just want to make it a bit lighter. Or why don't we just do the yellow? We need a yellow one. Okay. And then this, maybe change it back to the blue. Yeah. So there you go. You've got like something a little bit different. And you know what? You could do that again. You know, you could do that again. Take this guy and oops. Make sure you got the whole group before you move them. Take the whole group and move them down, and then create another one, just a different color. How about this light blue color right here? Yeah, this one. And then just go in here. I think I've masked it, right? Yeah, I have masked it. So, oops, not white, but blue. Yeah, and then that might look a little bit too dark, so maybe make it yellow here, or maybe like a creamy color. Maybe this one. Yeah. And so you kind of fill up the page a bit faster instead of thinking, oh my gosh, I have to draw so many things to fill up this whole page. And there you go. Yeah, you just keep going and just like keep creating. And maybe I'll just show you guys one other one. How about we create just a star maybe? Okay. How about a blue star for now? Well, actually, we haven't used orange. So orange. And color that up. Yeah. If you think that's too big, you can always size it down. Like that. Actually, I kind of want to make that a little flower thingy. Maybe with this blue in the middle. Or maybe pink. I don't like the contrast. Ah, that's nice. Okay. But this one, I want it to be a little bit sharper. There we go. That's a nice little flower. So that one is a keeper. And so there you go, guys. So these are some ideas for your stickers. So I hope you have fun with that. I'm just gonna fill this up and then I'll meet you back when I'm done. Alright guys, so I think I'm pretty much done. Um, it's a really simple set of stickers, but I think it's really cute. I think I would actually use this on my planner. And so I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'll just add some text in here maybe, just to like name these stickers. I don't know. Happy birdies? Happy um birdie birdie. How about smiles, smileys, and birdies? That's cute. Okay. And then I think I don't like that font. Maybe typewriter. Typewriter's not bad. Something a little bit rounder. I think the typewriter was alright. I think I'm pretty happy with it. So I would love to know what you guys made. I'm really excited to see your class projects. I hope you guys had fun in this class, and I hope to return with another fun tutorial with Adobe Fresco. Alright guys, see you next time.